Guys, so I'm gonna do an unboxing today. I got my FabFitFun box, the winter edition. So let's see what is in this box. It has a Fun Fit Fab catalog, a cute note. So in the Fun Fit Fab box, each box has like what the values are and stuff. So we have this body wash infused buffer. And it's a value of $16. We have this Kate Somerville Hydrant Shine Masking. This is a value of $36. We have this throw. It's actually a pretty like gray color, and this is a value of $49, so that's cool. We also have, what is this? Oh, this is a scarf. Holy moly, this scarf is $99. Whew, that's an expensive scarf. We have some hydrant refuel. This runs for, I think it says $29. And then we have this highlight stick. This is $24. We have a group of essential oils, eucalyptus, lemongrass, sweet orange. Oh, this runs for $30. And then we have this black eye mask. It's $29. Oh, and then we have these cute Pier 1 mini ceramic prep bowls. They're all different colors, and they range, the set of mini ceramic bowls is $24.95. So this is a good box. The total retail value of my box is like roughly like $370, but you only pay, I believe it was like $49.95, I think, for this month's subscription. But this is awesome. I will put the link up online. I'm hoping to get more FabFitFun boxes. I will put the FabFitFun link in the comments, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my page so that you can see more FabFitFun unboxings. Thanks.